Bradley.
And then you want to press it again.
Here. Where's Granddaddy's silly hat? Bradley, look. Bradley, look. Where's Granddaddy's silly hat? He said, give me back that hat. Good job, Bradley!
Yeah, Bradley's a monkey.
Give it to Granddaddy. Granddaddy's so silly. Bradley, get your hat. Bradley, get your hat.
Get the hat.
Good job, buddy.
Put it on your head.
Put it on your head, Bradley. Put your hat on.
Yay.
Yay!